Hi there, I'm Jason with Abbey Bike Tools, and we're here with Gravel Cyclist. We're going to talk about some new tools. This is one that we launched just a couple months ago, the Double L Chain Wear tool. So Double L stands for linear and lateral. In order to use this guy, we go with the V-shaped notch so that it's agnostic to roller diameter. Now that we've got some notable departures there, we kind of just hold that guy in, and then we're lining up the pin with the hole to judge chain wear. So we're going to isolate roller wear from that, and then roller diameter as well. So the other component, the lateral wear, we're actually the first people in the industry to do this. Chain has to be off the bike for this process, but we're going to extend the chain out 5 links, which basically puts it in line with the numbers, and then we're going to judge how much side play or lateral wear that has just with the magic of gravity. If we're below this threshold down here with the bottom of the chain, we're going to recommend that you replace it. So that is the Double L. These guys have been hard for us to keep in stock, but we do have them available currently. Got is the acquisition of the Noble IP that we did earlier in the year. This is the bearing remover set in the new tray. Bearing IDs from 12 to 20 millimeters, and then ODs from 24 to 37. So these cups, these guys go into the bearing. You tighten down this screw, kind of see that guy expand behind the bearing. If you want to, you can set the snap ring so that the insertion depth is accurate, and so that split ring will pop out in between like a spacer in a free hub body, and just kind of catch that little lip right there. And then this guy can go on the outside, tighten the nut, and it pulls the bearing out instead of, slide hammers and those kinds of fun shenanigans. Got one more new tool since the last time we saw you. This was another thing that we got with the Noble IP collection. This is their lacing stand that we put back into production. So you can do different pins for a quick release, a 15 mil or a 12 like we've got shown here. And it just supports the rim and the hub independently, make it a little easier to lace the wheel, reduces fatigue in a professional environment where you're doing this all day, every day. It's definitely a luxury for the home mechanic, but it makes it a little easier to have those parts kind of supported on their own so that you can focus on where the spokes go in the lacing pattern. So yeah, so those are the new tools from Abbey. AbbeyBikeTools.com.